Yo, Obese Chipmunk, I'm really bummed out, man. My friend Ross Brokenback, my best friend, my pen pal, he didn't invite me to his 4th of July party, man, like always. I don't know what's going on, man. Did he, I don't know what happened to him, man. What should I do for the 4th of July? Yeah, I guess you're right. I guess I could, do my own party, but, where's the fun in that? I need to go to someone else's party. I don't have time to plan out that whole party. Huh. I wonder if randomly a random musician would come up to me and invite me to his July 4th party.
Hey, it's me, Post Malone. You want to go to my 4th of July party?
Oh my God, Post Malone! I'm your biggest fan, man. Wait, Demi, my boy. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Oh.
Hey, it's me, Post Malone.
Post Malone, dude, I've been a fan of you for so long, dude. Demi, man.
Hey, I've been seeing you around these streets too.
Really? Mm-hmm. Am I really that big? Oh.
I mean, hey.
You're joking, man. You gotta. Look.
I'm not joking.
Oh,
But hey, you want to go to my 4th of July party though?
Bro, that's what I was just telling that guy.
He's so fat. I mean,
Yo. Okay. Let's slide this on. Really though, you invited me?
Yeah.
Post Malone himself?
And the Chipmunk.
Oh my God, dude. Dude, that's crazy, man. Demi, man, that's crazy.
Hey.
Oh, bro.
I mean, you might eat all the food, but.
Okay, let's go to the. Yeah. Take me there, man.
Alright, I got it.
Alright, boy.
Hey, it's about to start. Get over there.
Oh, let's go, man. I'm so excited.
Nice porch area. See, you got a little bit of people.
Wow, Post Malone. I didn't know you were so Post Malone-y.
Hey, you know. You good?
Post Malone. It is not the finale, man. These fireworks are so awesome.
Bro, I know.
I feel song coming on. Hit it.